Hi everyone and welcome to Hidden Ziaka. I'm so glad you're here because today we're making a delicious aromatic chicken curry that I know you're going to love. First, let me walk you through the ingredients. You'll need 1.5 pounds, about 700 grams of chicken, either bone-in or boneless. Then 2 finely chopped onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of grated ginger, and 1 to 2 green chilies for a little kick. We'll also use 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and a blend of spices. Turmeric, red chili powder, coriander, cumin, and garam masala. We'll add half a cup of yogurt, about 1 to 1.5 cups of water, and we'll top it off with fresh cilantro or methi for garnish. Now let's cook. Heat the oil in a pan or wok over medium heat. Add the onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies and saute them for about 10 minutes until they're soft and golden. Then add your chicken and cook until it's golden brown. Once that's done, we'll add all the spices and stir them in until everything is fragrant. Next, we add half a cup of water, cover, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we keep sauteing until the oil separates, then we stir in the yogurt and cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, we add 1 cup of water for a silky gravy and let it simmer on low for 10 minutes. Top it off with fresh cilantro or methi and serve it with warm roti or naan. I know you're going to love it, so give it a try. And if you did, please like and subscribe to Hidden Ziaka for more delicious recipes.